Hi, Rabbi Alanna here. This tutorial is going to teach you how to enable original sound on Zoom so that both your vocal quality while you're singing, for those who are performing solos or otherwise leading song or prayer on Zoom, or the quality of you playing with another musical instrument, whether it's an egg shaker or a guitar, comes across more clearly than it would just with Zoom's automatic settings going on. So the first thing that you're going to do is open Zoom. Open the Zoom application on your computer. You can do that either by searching for it in the search bar, whether you're on a Mac or a PC, or if you have a shortcut right here on your desktop, double-clicking it and opening it. The first thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you're logged in. I'm logged in as rabbi@orhadash.com. If you're not logged in, it'll probably look a little something like this when you open Zoom. And you'll need to put in your email address that you registered for Zoom or registered for Zoom with, and then type in your password. It'll then log you in. Okay, so whenever I log into Zoom, just best practices, I always check to make sure if there's an update. Whenever Zoom updates its software, it doesn't automatically update onto everyone's computer. You'll have to update it yourself. So before you do this, do check for updates, because original sound is one of those settings that keeps changing as each release of Zoom comes out, getting a little bit better and better and better. So for enabling original sound, you're going to have to go into your settings and then click audio. Great. And you're going to want to make sure that, oh look, see, my microphone is working. You'll look at all of these settings and you'll see, it doesn't say original sound. So you'll hit the button that says advance, and you'll want to make sure that you have the following button checked. Show in meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. This option automatically disables Zoom noise suppression, removes high pass filtering, and removes automatic gain control. It is recommended for playing music and for studio-like environments with high-quality microphone speakers or audio interfaces. It is not recommended for use in noisy environments or for general meetings use. Basically, it means that whatever your microphone is picking up, that's what's going straight through Zoom. Zoom is not trying to figure out what's your voice, what's background noise, because that's when we have people playing guitar and singing, and it feels like the guitar and the voice are fighting to see which one will actually go through Zoom. I also make sure to check the box, use high fidelity music mode, but that's up to you. So then once you do all of that, you can just hit the little X to get out, and then you'll see the next time you're in a meeting, whether it's a meeting that you're hosting or that anyone else is hosting and you're attending. So we'll just take a look here, that there will be a magical box in the upper left-hand corner of the screen that says turn on original sound. Once you click that and it's blue, you're on original sound mode, and you'll sound a whole lot better, especially if you have background noise or anything else, or you're singing with something like vibrato, that you'll notice that your vocal sound comes over much better. To turn off original sound for any reason, maybe you're in a place with lots of background noise, a coffee shop or something, or you have dogs barking in your background, you might want to toggle off original sound. All right. Well, thank you all so much. If you have any questions, do be in contact with me, and I look forward to singing together with you on Zoom real soon.